Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by finding the exact tier and working on the inside. This prevents visible bulk. Once located, mark the edges so you control fabric alignment. You then clean the area with rubbing alcohol to remove oils so adhesives bond. Make sure to choose a repair method now. Clear nail polish for tiny runs, a narrow zigzag stitch for durable repair, or an iron-on patch for larger holes. Do these first steps because they set the foundation for a neat, long-lasting fix. You'll now perform the main repair. If sewing, use a needle with fine thread and pull edges gently together. Stitch with 1-2 mm spacing to blend the fabric. Once done, tie a secure knot and hide it on the seam. Alternatively, for adhesives, dab clear nail polish along the run ends and let it dry to halt progression. If using an iron-on patch, place a cloth over the patch and apply low heat. Press firmly for the recommended time so glue activates and bonds the fibers. You finish by trimming stray threads and turning the tights right side out to inspect the repair under good light. This reveals any puckering or gaps to address. If a weak spot remains, add a small amount of fabric glue on the inside and let it cure. Make sure to wipe excess immediately. Once satisfied, launder on a gentle cycle or hand wash and air dry. If the run returns, consider replacing the section with a small decorative patch or using the tights as layering hosiery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.